Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the lecture. So in the previous lecture, we had seen how to do the bill of quantities up to the PCC work. Okay, fine. So once the PCC is done, next is we'll start with the RCC work, that is reinforcement work. So for RCC work, you know, right? Like in the beam, column and all, we have gone with the concreting work, and I told you to go with the M20 grade of concrete. Again, for that, we are supposed to do the bill of quantities. So now you see 5.1. Okay. So 5.1 is about providing and laying in position specified grade of reinforced cement concrete, excluding the cost of centering, shuttering, finishing, and reinforcement. All work, that is footing, column, beam, slab, and staircase. Okay. You're getting my point. So 5.1, I'll take you to the 5.1 now. So we'll go with the 5.1. Okay. Yeah, so it's written here, reinforced cement concrete. So you can read it out. Providing and laying in position specified grade of reinforced cement concrete, excluding the cost of centering, shuttering, finishing, and reinforcement. Okay, that means only the concrete cost they are given. You will be not adding any shuttering cost or centering cost or finishing or the reinforcement in this. So the first is 1 is to 1.5 is to 3, which is actually a M20 grade of concrete, where 1 part of cement and then 1.5 part of coarse sand and 3 parts of stone aggregates of 20 mm. Okay, so 5.1.2 and the rate given for cubic meter is 8,364. So what you're supposed to do, write the same thing, copy the same thing, and one thing is important. What is important is all work up to the plinth level they are mentioned. Okay, so we'll do the same thing now. I'll go to the Excel sheet. I've written the same thing here. Okay, so up to the plinth level or ground floor, this thing I've written. After that, for first floor, I made it separately. Second floor, I made it separately. And roof, I have made it separately. Getting my point? Because in the BOQ, if you observe it, they've written up to the all work up to plinth level. Okay, fine. So this much is understood. I'll go back to that. And this is how I've written it. Okay, up to plinth level or ground floor, it's one and the same. So the unit is in cubic meter. Okay, now coming to the quantity. How we are going to find the quantity? So up to the ground floor means what all things is added. One is footing concrete, I'll get. Agree with me? Because up to the plinth level, you tell me what all things you did. Footing we did, and we did neck column. And also what we did exactly, we did plinth, beam, concrete. So if I add all these things, it will be only up to my plinth level. Above that, whatever column, slab, beams you did, no, these things will come above the plinth level. So that will do it separately. Okay, fine. So this much is understood. What I'll do now, I'll go back to the Excel sheets now. So first I'll go to the foundation estimation. So the total concrete quantity I got in footing is 33.102. I'll note it down here. So 33.102. This is my footing concrete quantity. Good. After that, neck column. Shuttering work I did. Again, for concrete work up to the neck column, till the plinth beam top, it was 4.186. So I'll write the here 4.186. This is up to the top of the plinth beam I have taken. Okay, fine. Next, after that, we don't have anything here. Next, come to your plinth level. So in the plinth level, PCC is already taken care of. Now come to the beam, plinth beam. So concrete for plinth beam. So here, what is the quantity we got? We got 10.67. Okay, so I'll write 10.67. Now try to do these calculations and tell me what is the concrete quantity that you have. 33.102 plus 4.186 plus 10.670. So total I am getting 47.958 cubic meters. So this is up to plinth level. This much amount of concrete is required. So what I'll do, I'll go to the Excel sheet now, that is BOQ, and you see how much I got. 47.958. You see here, same thing I've written. 47.96 I've written. You can make it as 958. Okay, fine, good. So you can increase this also. Good, done now. Now come to the rate. So rate, again you have two options. Either you come directly to the SOR, schedule of rate, take this rate directly, that is 8,364 you can take, and directly you can input it here. Okay, if you want, I'll input that rate first. 8,364. Finish. Accordingly, I require 4 lakh rupees if I want to do concreting of 47 m cube, that is up to the plinth level. This is according to the DAR rate. Okay, DSR rate. But if you don't want to put this rate, I'll tell you the rate which is going on in market in my area. Okay, so for that, yeah, yeah. So one rate I'll tell you about this. Yeah. So here we'll go to the basement area. Okay, so this is one rate I'll take from here. Okay, so where I should take providing and laying in position PCC. Yeah, you see here providing and laying in position reinforced cement concrete of M25 they have taken, no problem. For that the contract is charging 6,500 rupees. So this is a normal rate which is going on in my area. If you want to do the concreting work of footing, column beam, whatever element it may be, the contract is charging 6,500 rupees. Okay, so this is a rate what is going on in my area. So I can take 6,500. Yeah, and I'll come here, I'll write 6,500. Okay, already written here. And now I'll change it. Instead of 8,364, I'll make 6,500. Okay, fine. According to that, 3,11,000 rupees is required. So you can go with 6,500. Later, I'll tell you how this 6,500 is coming. That will not look now because at present the market rate is 6,500. Okay, other than that, I'll show you one more BOQ. This is one more BOQ what I had. So here, if I come and check the RCC rate, I'll this is centering work. Yeah, cement concrete. Okay, this is 1:4:8 they have done. This is M15 they have done. Yeah, see here M25 they have done. Okay, for M25, you see here also the same rate is going on 6,550. Okay, 50 rupees extra is taking it. This contract is charging something 6,550 rupees. So you can take even this rate also because this is a rate which is going on in the market. That is the reason I'm telling you. I'll show you one more house also. So this is another recently completed house. Okay, I'll see what is the rate they have put here. This was done by my friend. So again, yeah, here you see M20 grade they have taken, right? Providing and laying in position reinforced cement concrete of design mix M20 grade. And here what is the rate going? Yeah, so the contract is charging here 6,700 rupees. Earlier it was 6,500. Then in another BOQ I told you the rate is, I'll tell you one by one. First, it was 8,234 according to DAR, right? Then there was some contractor who was charging 6,500. Then in another BOQ, I found 6,550. So in this BOQ, okay, it is 6,713. So each contractor has their own way of doing the rate analysis, and based on that, they have put the rate. Now, whichever rate you want, you can put. But I feel 6,500 is a current scenario, current rate, what is going on in the market. So I'll go with 6,500 only. Okay, that much is clear. So go back to your Excel sheets. Yeah, yeah, I'll take 6,500 and based on that, the rate has come. Now, this was up to the plinth level or ground floor. Then again, I have bifurcated this in first floor, second floor and roof. In this way also you can do. Few people do in this way like first floor, second floor and roof. Okay, because our building it's a G+2 structure. So ground floor, first floor, second floor and roof I have done. If you don't want to do in this way, you can write it separately like this people have done. Okay, I'll show you that also, how these people have done. So what these people have done in this particular BOQ has written it separately. Like this is for footing, this is for column he has done. For plinth beam also it is the same rate. For retaining wall it is the same rate. For roof beam it is the same. You look at the rate here. Okay. So in this way he has done. In another BOQ what people have done, I'll show you that also. Because I cannot tell you that this is only a right method to do. There are hundreds, there are different methods which you can follow. Look at this particular BOQ. What he has done, footing and pedestal, that is whatever I did up to the plinth level, he has taken footing and pedestal. Pedestal means it's called neck column. Okay, few people write pedestal. So this is a quantity what they have, and based on that he has multiplied that with the rate. Next, whatever plinth beam we have, he has taken it separately. So his plinth beam quantity is 81 cubic meter. Then wherever your lintel, roof beam, roof slab, column and staircase is coming, no, in that he has done a bifurcation like ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor and terrace floor. Okay, so in this way also you can do, you put footing and pedestal, that is up to the plinth one, plinth beam you can take it in this way. Okay, otherwise you take ground floor, first floor, second floor and third floor together. In this everything will come, staircase, lintel, chedja, everything will come. Okay, getting my point? So that way also you can do. In another here also they have done the same thing. This is already shown. I've shown you that. Yeah, here what they have done is they have done the same thing here. Here it is M20, no? See here what he has done, no? footing, column, plinth beam, then partition wall, main wall, everything he has taken, and he's quoting 6,700 rupees as a rate for that. That also you can do. You don't have to bifurcate like ground floor, first floor, second floor. All the quantities you add together and give a rate. That also can be done. So totally up to the contractor how he is going to do the execution. Okay, fine. So what I have done is, yeah, I'll go to my Excel sheet now. Up to here you understood. Now come to the first floor. In the first floor, I got 87 cubic meter of the concreting. So how did I get 87 here? That we need to check. Okay. So again, for the first floor, I'll go with the ground floor roof now. Yeah, this is my first floor level. Neck column I did. First floor, how much column concrete I require? Check it. First floor column concrete quantity, I got 6.468. So I'll write here. This is not, yeah. See, it will take little time of yours, 6.468. Okay, this is ground floor column concrete. Okay, other than that, in that we have beam also. You take the beam concrete quantity. So beam is 11.210. 11.210 plus. Again, what you have? Again, you have slab concreting, that is 28.583. So 28.583. Okay, fine. Up to here it is done. We'll go and check in my BOQ what I have written. See here, 61 point. Okay, 61 I have written here. Okay, fine. 61 will come out because you add everything, you should get 61. That is what I have done. So 6.468. Add it. Okay, 6.468 plus 11.210 plus 28.513. So 46 I'm getting there. Okay, this is 46. Then okay, no problem. We'll go with the same thing up to the first floor. Okay, along with that, I need to add yeah. Is there anything missed? No, no. Everything we have taken care of. Let me check it. 5.8. Then beam is 13. And slab is 27. Okay, I think one mistake I did. Okay, this is my this is not the answer. Wait, I'll take this out. I'll do a new one. Okay, see here. Now I want for the first floor. Okay, so this is the first floor quantity what we have. So column will be around ground floor column concrete is 5.8 cubic meter. So it is 5.808. Okay, plus then again floor you come. So floor, how much concrete is required? 13.903. 13.903 plus, and last one slab. So slab, how much concrete quantity is required? 27. This is total beam and slab. I require only slab now. 27.690. So 27.690. So add all these things. We'll check how much answer I'm getting. 5.808 plus 13.903 plus 27.690. So 47 I'm getting. Okay. 47.40 cubic meter I'm getting. This is up to first floor. Okay. Along with that, you need to add the staircase portion, the lintel and the chajja portion also. So that is a thing what I've done here. If I go to the BOQ now, okay, 61 I have written. Then 2.494, this is staircase quantity. Okay, come to the staircase. In staircase, it is 2.1 floor. Total concrete for 3 floor, it was 7.481. Total concrete in 1 floor, that is first ground floor. Okay, it is 2.494. That also you add along with this. 2.494 plus I'll add chajja quantities also. Okay, come to the chajjas and the lintel portion. So if I come here, lintel and chajja. Okay, so total lintel concrete quantity I got 4.368. This was including my ground floor and first floor. I'll divide it by 2 so that on average 2 cubic meter will be in the ground floor and another 2 cubic meter in the first floor. So I'll add that 2 cubic meter in this part. Okay, that also you can do. So 4.3 I'll take roughly 2.2 yeah 2.25 I'll take. Okay, cubic meter plus, you're getting my point, right? You can take 4 also, no problem. But since I'm doing the BOQ according to the floor wise, so this is total lintel concrete quantity I got, including ground floor and first floor. So if I divide it by 2, that means 2 cubic meter is gone in ground floor Another 2 cubic meter has gone in the first floor. Okay. And last is this thing, that is Chedja concrete quantity. So Chedja concrete quantity is almost 42.750, including your ground floor and the first floor. I'll divide this by 2. So roughly 21 cubic meter is required in the ground floor. So add 21 to this. Okay. 21 point, let us say 21 cubic meter I'll take. Fine. That's it. So the same thing I've done it here in the BOQ. Come to the bill of quantities. Okay. You can see the answers here. Yeah, 87. How did it come? 61.305 plus 24. They got fit, then 2.494, 2.494, 2.25, 2.25, and 21. So the total in a first floor, it will be 87.049 cubic meter of a concrete is required. I don't know from where the 61 has come. Let me check it once again. Because if you remember, only these things we are going to start. No, plinth beam and all already I have taken care of. Okay, then it should start from here. Maybe in the BOQ I have written it wrong. I'll change it, no problem. This is not 61. What I'll do is I'll directly write 47.40. Okay, that is 5.808 is a column quantity. This is beam quantity and this is slab quantity. Okay, finish. Now the answer should be right. Yeah, 73.144 cubic meter of a concrete is gone in the first floor. Okay, and the cost of that is 6,500, or even you can increase it by another 100 rupees. Usually when the floor increases, the charge also increases because you require more manpower to transport the materials and all. So usually the contractor increases the rate floor to floor. Some people do that, some people don't do that. If you want to keep it same, you can keep it same. Like if you see one of my BOQ here, you see this particular BOQ. Here there is no increase in the rate. No, see everywhere. Like ground floor 6,550, first floor also it is same, second floor also it is same, third floor also it is same. So few of the BOQ you can find the rate increasing. In few of the BOQ you don't find it. But what we'll do is we'll not increase the rate. We'll go with the same rate, not a problem. Okay. So I'm keeping 6,500, 6,500. Next, come to the second floor. Again, in second floor, you tell me the concrete quantity. Yeah. So in the second floor, the concrete quantity will be this portion. Okay. Yeah, you can see total concrete quantity in the first floor is 47.191 I have written, or I'll do it in front of you. 6.468 has gone in this one. How much it is? 6.468 in column. Okay. Then after that, uh, in the beam, how much it is? In the beam, it is 11.21. So it is 11.21 plus, and the last in the slab. In the slab, it is total roof slab concrete is 28.513. Okay, add everything 28.513. You should get something 47, like 66.468 plus 11.210 plus 28.513. 46.191 cubic meter. Already that thing I have done and kept it. You also should do and keep it. Okay. So you can see 46.191. So come to the BOQ now. So in the BOQ, I've written the same thing. See, 46.191 plus this 2.494 is the remaining concrete quantity in the lintel. So it is 2.494 plus, sorry, this 2.494 is the staircase concrete quantity in the first floor. 2.25 is the remaining lintel concrete quantity, and 21 is the remaining Chedja quantity. You're getting my point, no? That is why I added everything. Okay, fine. So the total concrete quantity that is required in the second floor is 71.931, and I'm going to keep the rate same, that is 6,500. Fine. And last is my roof level. Now come to the roof level. So roof, I'll go to the roof. Tell me the total concrete quantity. Already I've done. See, total concrete quantity in the roof level is 10.904. Okay. That means you need to add 3.306, add it, plus 3 plus 3 is 6, and 6 plus 4 is 11, right? Sorry, 6 plus 4 is 10. So roughly 10.904 concrete quantity is required. Along with that, even up to the roof level, your staircase is coming, no? So in the even staircase per floor, it is 2.494. I'll add this also. But whereas you don't have a Chedja and a lintel, because we did only up to G+2. So I'm not adding that. Okay, if you want to add, you can do. Because for interior, what I had taken a separate drawing, and that is only a ground floor and first floor. Okay, but that is the reason I'm not adding anything there. Okay, I'll go to the BOQ now. See here, 10.904 plus 2.494. This is for the staircase concrete quantity. Remaining your chedja and all, I'm not adding. The reason is that when I explained you, yeah, what I'll do is I'll continue this in the next lecture. Okay, there's some problem in the video. I'll continue this in the next lecture.